Hi, greetings to each and everyone. Once again, I'm Coach Michelle Uson from Valenzuela City, a distributor and gold executive here in Empowered Consumerism. So today, ang task ko po is to present to you a product demo. So ibabahagi ko po sa inyo kung gaano po kaganda ang aming mga produkto. So before that, let me introduce first our company, introducing Empowered Consumerism, fueled by Alliance in Motion Global, the newest, the hottest, the most innovative home-based online business in the new normal. So marami pong nagtatanong, what is easy? So dito sa Easy, you will enjoy easy business, easy platform, and easy lifestyle, making ordinary consumers become empowered by sharing them the economy of a tested and proven system and platform. So how does it work? So before that, let me introduce again the owners of our company, our board of directors, founded by 3 young visionaries in March 2006. First, we have Mr. Raymond Asperin, our Chief Marketing Officer, the late Engineer Francis Miguel, our Chief Finance Officer, and Dr. Eduardo Cabantoc, our Chief Executive Officer, the Visionary President. I'm proud to say that we are already 15 years in the industry. Napakarami na po ang natulungan ang company, hindi lang po sa kalusugan, kundi marami na rin po ang nagka-resulta. And maliban po dyan, from Philippines, nag-expand na rin po kami sa iba't ibang bansa. For 15 years, tested and proven system, napakarami na pong awards and recognitions ang company every year, local and international. So, ibig sabihin, we are legit, ethical, and moral business. So, why we are amazing? Because we are also recognized in the Guinness World of Records, 2 times record holder. First, the world's largest human smiley and a smile for a nation. Not only that, we are also ranked 12 top contributor in Bureau of Internal Revenue. So, ibig sabihin, napakaganda magbayad ng tax ang ating company. Now, pag-usapan natin ang ating manufacturing partners. So, we have the Nature's Way, the DSM, the AMS, and the Wither. So, hindi po basta-basta ang ating mga manufacturing partners. Ito po ay multi-billion dollar euro and yen company. Big companies who are the best of the best when it comes in creating organic, natural-made products. So, ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang mga factors that affect our health kung bakit tayo nagkakasakit. So, napakahirap po nitong iwasan. So, una, processed food, stress, air and water pollution, chemical pollution, unhealthy lifestyle, and medicine side effects. Once ang mga factors na to makapasok sa ating katawan, ay hindi na po tayo healthy. So, ang unang tatamaan yung ating cells. So, ang ating cells, ang ating katawan, composed of billions of cells. So, pagkagaling sa cells, kakalat sa ating tissues, sa organs, sa systems, at sa buong katawan natin. So, para hindi tayo basta-basta magkasakit, kailangan natin ng strong immune system. So, ang kailangan mag-take tayo ng more antioxidants. So, ano po yung antioxidants? Ito po ay fruits, plants, and vegetables. So, again, naniniwala ako, prevention is better than cure. So, sabi po ng ating WHO, taking food supplements is one of the best solution. So, yes, totoo po yan. Kaya marami po mga food supplements na nakakalat sa iba't ibang butika. So, mamaya, explain ko po sa inyo kung gaano po kaganda ang aming mga food supplements. So, ang sabi rin po ng World Health Organization, the human body requires at least 5 kinds of fruits and 5 kinds of vegetables every day. So, very impossible kung magawa natin yan. Unang-una, it takes time. Pangalawa, may kamahalan. So, now, introducing our new flagship product, the C Supreme Ascorbic Acid. Supreme absorption, supreme retention, and supreme performance. Pangalan pa lang, the best na. Ascorbic acid is well known in the market. Ito po ay kakaiba dahil exclusive natural herbal formulation. Mas mabilis mag-absorb at nakaka-perform ng maayos sa loob ng ating katawan. Kapag iniinom mo ito, ay nagtatagal po ito sa loob ng ating katawan compared sa other vitamin C, after a few minutes ay iniihi na. So next product, we have our nutritional support, the C24/7. C24/7 contains 22,000 phytonutrients that has 140 components in one capsule. So, ganun po kadami ang laman ng ating C24/7. Kaya napakainam na inumin sa araw-araw upang manatiling healthy ang ating katawan at protektado tayo sa anumang uri ng sakit mula sa simplong sipon hanggang sa pinakamalalang sakit na cancer. Ito ay 100% natural, pati sa capsule ay gawa sa gulay, kaya within 15 minutes ay mag-absorb na ito sa ating katawan. So next product, we have the Complete Phyto Energizer. Ito naman po ay mayroon siyang 16,000 antioxidant and phytonutrients. Mababang version ng C24/7. Same content lang po except anti-aging and longevity polyphenols. So, ang product na ito is very good for lactating mother, pregnant mother, recommended for 12 years and above, people with bleeding problems, dengue patient, and reproductive organ problem. So, next product, we have the Kiddy 24/7 Nutragamis. Ito po ay food supplement para sa mga bata na di kayang lumunok ng capsule. Ito ay gummy candy kaya super enjoy ang mga kids. It contains 26 fruits and vegetables. It also contains 14 vitamins and minerals. So we have also another product, the Colidus Omega Supreme. Ito naman po ay nakakatulong in reducing bad cholesterol, decreases the risk of high blood pressure, and also lowers the risk of heart-related diseases. And next, we have also the Restore Life, the Longevity Polyphenols. Ito naman po, meron po siyang resveratrol, helps in preventing age-related diseases, increasing our lifespan by about 20 to 30%. So, kung gusto niyo po humaba ang buhay, mag-take po tayo ng Restore Life. And then, ito naman po ay maganda ito sa mga diabetes, lalo na yung mga nag-i-insulin dahil inaayos niya at maging normal ang blood sugar inside in our body. And next product, we have our cardiocuticals product, the Vida Juice. Ito ay isang napakasarap na grape juice na gawa sa lycopene at resveratrol na ayon sa human clinical studies, pinapaluwag nito ang mga ugat sa puso para maging maayos ang daloy ng dugo. Within 60 to 90% dinadilate niya ito. And the next product, we have the Vida Max. Ito po ay isang capsule, a cardiovascular food supplement that has two wonderful components, the Fruit Flow and Rest Vida. Fruit Flow ay nagpapalabnaw ng ating dugo para maiwasan ang pagkumpul-kumpul ng ating platelet at nang maging maganda ang circulation nito. Maganda ito sa may sakit na high blood, stroke, at sakit sa puso. And then we have also the Rest Vida. Ito ay tumutulong to improve your blood flow because it will help your arteries to dilate in the blood will flow normally. And then next, we have also the Cardio Pulse. Ito ay hindi produkto na mabibili natin. Ito po ay isang service. It's an initial test na mag-determine kung meron ba tayong healthy or unhealthy artery. So ito po ay alternative ng angiogram. If type 1 ang result, excellent. Type 2, good. Type 3, careful. Type 4, warning. Type 5, bad. Type 6, very bad. And type 7 is high risk. So again, anytime you will be heart attack. That's why it's nice to have test early to prevent and to know the early signs. Remember, heart attack is a silent killer. So next, we have also our healthy beverages. We have the Liven Alkaline Coffee. Napakasarap na healthy coffee na gawa sa Arabica coffee beans. Ito ay may 4 na flavor. Meron siyang original. Kung mahilig ka sa sweet coffee tulad ko, meron tayong latte. At kung gusto mo ng strong coffee, meron tayong cappuccino. At meron naman din po tayo para sa mga diabetic, which is the sugar-free. Contains stevia 200 to 300 times more sweeter than sugar. It helps in maintaining blood sugar. And then next, we have also the My Choco. Ito ay super yummy na alkaline chocolate drink. May DHA, kaya maganda sa brain development ng mga bata. Ito ay food supplement, kaya pampatalino na at pampalakas pa. Pwede rin po ito sa mga matatanda. Okay? So, pwede po siya sa hot or cold. So, next product, we have our Natural Essential products. We have the toothpaste. Not ordinary toothpaste. It has all natural ingredients. Kaya niya i-repair ang gums at oral cavities. Nakaka-protect para di ka magkaroon ng bad breath. Nakakatulong sa mga may singaw. Habang nagtututbrush ka, para ka na nagbabitamins and minerals kasi may content siya na complete phyto-energizer. And the next, we have Natural Essential Deep Cleansing and Whitening Bar. 100% natural soap that is dermatologically tested. Ito ay may bamboo charcoal, best for body odor. May peppermint essential oil, kaya fresh ang ating pakiramdam. Ito ay may Luminate Derma Complex na pampaputi, pampakinis, pampaganda ng kutis, at nakakatuyo din ito sa mga may tagyawat at higit sa lahat, anti-aging. Next product, we have the Natural Essential Feminine Wash. So ito ay the world's first natural feminine wash with negative ions. So 100% no harmful chemicals. Ito ay nakaka-protect against urinary tract infection at nakakawala ng bad odor. Since pH balance, hindi siya magkukos ng dryness, very refreshing and anti-aging. And then kung meron tayo sa kababahian, meron din po tayo sa mga kalalakihan. The Natural Essential Masculine Wash. The world's first natural masculine wash with negative ions. 100% no harmful chemicals, dermatologically formulated and has cool water scent. May sangkap tulad ng aloe vera, peppermint, oil, Acapulco extract, serve as an antifungal, antimicrobial, antiviral, at antibacterial. Kaya mga boys, huwag puro pagpag. Gumamit din tayo ng masculine wash, very refreshing and anti-aging. And the next, we have also our beauty products, the White Light. Ito po ay may 2,500 mg L-glutathione at may 1,000 mg vitamin C. Ito ay sublingual spray. Ini-spray sa ilalim ng dila para sa mas mabilis at mabisang epekto para sa pantay-pantay na pagkinis at pagpapaputi ng balat mo. Ito din po ay liver detoxifier. Nililinis at kinokondisyon ang ating atay. The next, we have also the Perfect White. Tabletas na pampaputi na naglalaman ng cysteine peptide na isa sa pinakamabisang anti-aging na nagbibigay ng botox effect o natural na pagbabanat ng balat. Nagtatanggal ito ng pekas at kulubot sa mukha para sa kutis na mas maganda at mas mukhang bata. Pag umiinom ka nito, you will look 20 years younger. The next product, we have Burn products. Burn under right nutrition sa mga gustong magpapayat. So, meron tayong Burn Slim. Ito ay isang uri ng produkto na talagang nakapagpapayat, pero hindi ito katulad ng ibang papapayat na pinapabagsak ang iyong katawan. Sa Burn Slim, habang pumapayat ka, nagiging healthy ang iyong katawan. Then next naman po, we have the Burn Meal Replacement, a low-calorie, zero-saturated trans fat supplement. It has cookies and cream flavor. I-replace mo lang ito sa dinner, samahan mo ng apple. And then next naman po, we have the Living Burn Coffee. Sugar-free, sweetened by stevia. So, habang nagko-coffee ka, nagbo-burn siya ng fats. And then next, we have also the Burn Mati Iced Tea. Napakasarap na iced tea with clinical studies on satiety, metabolism, and weight control. Recommended dosage 1 to 2 sachet per day. Next, we have our iProtect 24/7. Ito ay isang wearable technology that emits invisible fumes, creating a 1 to 2 meter green zone that disintegrates bacteria and viruses within seconds. Lalo na sa panahon ngayon ni COVID, napaka-inam na gumamit tayo nito para sa ating protection dahil hindi natin nakikita ang mga bacteria and viruses. So, ang protection na ito, it will last up to 1 month. Then, papalitan natin ang patches sa loob ng ating kwentas. Next, we have also the Eye Protect Home. It is placed in the Eye Protect Home case. It gives you round-the-clock protection indoor. So, it destroys dangerous microbes in the air. Pwede ito sa living room, sa ref, or sa mga sasakyan. And the next also, we have the Energy Bracelet. Hindi lang fashionable and wearable itong Energy Bracelet. Ang kagandahan, mayroon siyang protection sa ating katawan kasi infused siya with anti-electromagnetic field EMF radiation. So, ibig sabihin, nakaka-protect siya against bad effect ng radiation na nakukuha natin tulad ng mga gadget na nakadikit natin everyday tulad ng cellphone at tablet. Even ang mga baby. So, sa mga empleyado dyan, tulad ng mga laptop at computer na kaharap nila everyday habang na nagtatrabaho. At sa ibang gadgets na nasa bahay na nag-i-emit ng radiation. And the next also, we have the energy pendant. Ito naman po ay nag-lowers down the impact of harmful electromagnetic radiation EMF, helps increase immune system, helps increase cell metabolism renewal. So, ito po ay dinidikit po siya sa ating mga gadget. And the next naman po is yung ating energy diffuser. Okay? So, ang ating energy diffuser, it is a thin disc that you can stick onto any of your electronic devices such as cellular phones, laptops, tablets, and others to counteract the serious and long-term harmful effects of electromagnetic EMF radiation. So, next product, we have the Care Leaf. So, ang ating Care Leaf, napakaganda po ito. Ito po ay thermal relief patch. It is good for suffering body pains. Instead of taking medicines like pain reliever, try our Care Leaf thermal relief patch to feel immediate relief and to have a pain-free living. And the next naman po, we have our NU H2. So, ito po ay portable cutting-edge technology that turns mineral water into molecular hydroceutical. And the next, we have also the Ultra H2. Hindi po ito ordinary na tumbler. It is advanced hydrogen generators that produces molecular hydrogen water, which is a powerful antioxidant and has a potent therapeutic on the human body. Kaya marami po ang may sakit na natulungang gumaling. Next naman po yung ating Angel E. So, ang ating Angel E is for the girls only, 20 years old and above. It supports healthy menstrual cycle. Pag menopausal ka na, pinapawisan ka palagi, masakit ang ulo, insomnia, pananakit ng katawan, basta ang lahat ng symptoms na ito, pag nag-take ka nito, ay nakakatulong ito na hindi mo ito mararamdaman. So, yan po ang aming mga world-class products. So, grabe, napakaganda. So, we are expanding massively around the world because of our world-class product. Siyempre, kung meron kang magandang mga produkto, ay of course, meron din po tayong magandang kitaan. Kaya lalo po tayong nag-expand sa iba't ibang bansa. At hindi lang po yan, ang ating mga product ay kasama po siya sa PPD, Philippine Pharmaceutical Directory. At awarded din po siya as Super Brands in Philippines Choice. Super Brands is only given to brands with exceptional products and services. A status reassures the customers that they are buying the best in each category. So again, very safe. I-recommend ang ating mga produkto. So ayan, try nyo po ang aming mga products. Sobrang ganda. Marami na pong natulugang gumaling. Marami pong naging healthy. So again, walang mawawala kung i-try nyo po. At kung meron po kayong katanungan sa aking product presentation, you can message me para ma-explain ko po sa inyo kung ano po yung mga hindi nyo po naintindihan. So that's all. And thank you so much for watching. God bless you all.